For mission manager, this is RTEL 8, ready for takeoff.
AirTel 8, if you can take off and go search the area grid B1 for an active fire. Yeah, you're dispatched to do that.
Roger, area's clear. 3, 2, 1. Takeoff.
Mission manager, this is RTEL 8, we're airborne en route. Entering the loiter now over grid Bravo 1.
Cross-check, we have you on our system. You can see you're airborne and you're loitering around the suspected fire area. We've got the water bomber at the Josephburg Airport. He is staged. Okay, we do have a suspected fire. We can see it. Water bomber, you can go stage and go to the air. AirTel 10, you can come in and take a look.
AirTel 10, flight request submitted.
There you go. Okay. AirTel 10, Steve Forbes, you are approved to fly.
Copy. Just logging into
next
DJI
hour.
Cloud.
Okay. AirTel 10, you are cleared to launch and go check out the area. Check out the suspected fire.
Copy that. Launching in Alpha 1. AirTel 10 in Bravo 1 sector. Located fire. Located 2 hotspots in sector Bravo 1.
Yeah, if you can vacate to A3, Alpha 3, and
Copy that.
we will have the water bomber proceed into Bravo 1 sector. Water bomber Dave, if you can proceed to
AirTel 10 clear in Alpha 3 hovering.
Yes, confirmed. I can see you there. AirTel 8, I can see you loitering. Yeah, we can see you coming in on approach. Yeah, you've crossed the fire. AirTel 10, can you come in, go to sector Bravo 1 and establish situational awareness on the fire?
AirTel 10 entering Bravo 1. 1 hotspot still burning. 2 hotspots still burning.
AirTel 10, can you proceed back to quadrant A3, Alpha 3? Water bomber Dave, if you can come in and give us your second pass.
AirTel 10 back in Alpha 3.
Trying to see if
I feel like what I got from the airport, I don't need anymore.
Okay, thanks for the hitting it. AirTel 10, AirTel 10, you can come in and confirm the Bravo 1. AirTel 8, once AirTel 10 is in position and established, if you want to start your loiter over that area again, over Bravo 1, and confirm what you can see. Water bomber Dave, you can return to Josephburg Airport.
Mission manager, this is AirTel 10. No hotspots observed at this time.
Mission manager, this is AirTel 8. AirTel 8 also confirms high-level scan that the fire appears to be extinguished.
AirTel 10, you can return to your launch location.
Copy that, heading back to landing.
Mission manager, this is AirTel 8. We check for AirTel 10. We'll wait for down and clear and then proceed with our landing pattern.
Okay, we see him down. See a nice landing on the back of the truck. AirTel 8, you are clear to land.
Roger that. Mission manager, this is AirTel 8. We are entering our landing.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Touchdown.
Roger. Disarming the aircraft. Mission manager, this is AirTel 8. We are down and clear.
Excellent. Yeah, we have AirTel 10, you're offline. I see that. Water bomber Dave, you are offline too and on the ground, and we see Airtel 8. You are landed as well. Great work, you guys.